Okay, here we go. It is July 1st. And I'm gonna be in here quick and I'm gonna make a decision. I've been all over the place of whether to let this queen cell go, come in with my nuke so they don't skip a beat, but we're gonna see. Gonna wait and see. But that's for the bottom. This is the top. So we're gonna see where they are in honey. Capping honey. We're gonna see how much space we got, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna yeah, this hive has been on fire. But if you didn't watch last week's, queen is gone. I did make a split. Did not take her. There was a little bit of eggs in there. Sorry, young larvae, I do believe, last week. So that's the bottom. Let's look at the supers. So this box here has been on for almost a month. And it was the first 7 frames that I took, extracted, gave right back. So far, I've taken 17 total. So these girls are doing really well. And they're drawing comb on that one. Not sure how recent that one is, but let's see what they're doing. They were starting to cap it last week, and we're getting very close. So we're, I'd say, a week away. We'll see. We're gonna, oh, look at this. Yeah, they're doing really well. So like I said, this is, I turn and burn, and for that reason, they are already giving me almost harvestable frames. 2 weeks. 2 weeks at the most, I would say. So set the calendar. Don't make any plans that weekend. We're gonna be harvesting honey. That one's got a little bit of an opening right there. So not full blown across the board stuffed. This one is stuffed. So a couple of the middle, still kind of dome a little bit. That's it. Looks good. Girls are on fire. So like I said, this is look at that one. So they haven't touched the other 3 that were brand new that I gave them. That one's got a little bit on it, but nothing exciting. Okay, so we're 2 weeks away. 2 weeks away, girls. Sorry about my arm. Put this back in. Only problem is we haven't had a queen for a week, so I'm not curious of how much young bees we're gonna have. Let's see. Okay. All right, let me just move that down here for a second. And off we go. Fix the camera. And there's chickens. Come on. There we go. Oh, now it's stuck in my hand. It is so hot. All the propolis is just melting. Okay, so in here, we've got some frames that I moved down the last time. So there should be some frames that are almost done. So let's take a peek. Comb. Yep, so that's got nectar. That's nothing exciting there. This one's got capped. Oh yeah, almost done. Almost done. I'd say in 2 weeks you're looking at least 5 up top. Call that one 6. In 2 weeks, 7. Looks like I'm taking another box. About 2 weeks. That looks good. So we got one more here. Oh, look at that. That one is done right there. Not so much. You are seeing what I'm seeing, correct? Okay. Yeah, so these girls are, I'd say 2 weeks we have another box. Yep, that one's done. That one is done. And There's some nectar open. Yeah, we're lacking the numbers, I think, to keep cranking along, to keep drawing comb like we've been. So we're gonna fix that today, I do believe. So that's it. 2 weeks. Gonna go another 10 frames, I would say, ish. It's gonna put me 27, almost 3 supers worth of. So goes to show, turn and burn. It's nice. I don't have to think about how much to. Sorry, I won't talk when I'm lifting. Think about how much it saves me. So this one down here, I do believe is nothing exciting except for these are frames that I just gave them back. So they should be drawn across the board, which we are. And hold on, ladies, come on, let me in there. Not expecting much because there's room up top. So here we go, here we go. Yeah, so they're just fixing these. That one dug in a little more than usual. There's nothing in these. Nothing in here, which is fine, because like I said, we're, let's get some of this nectar. A little bit. Yeah, not a lot. We are coming into, I would say, the summer dearth at some point here, but we are gonna have a good rain this weekend. So anyways, this one looks, these two should be the ones that they've had for a while. That's done. Look at this. So there's another one done. Yeah, so we're definitely taking a box next time we extract, which 2 weeks. All right, looks good to me. So, kind of excited to get back into that brood box. Fix what we got going on down there. Keep these girls rolling. Look at the beautiful comb though. So I'm finally etching up undrawn comb where all my hives, most of my hives have drawn comb. A little late, but that's what happens. So anyways, this is it. July 1st, probably harvesting, I'll say the middle of July. So thank you for watching.